Welcome to the November Spotlight on Insurance and Property Casualty coverage, brought to you by ProducersWeb.com. I'm Paul Wilson, and in this broadcast we'll cover some of this topic's biggest trends and most insightful research. This Spotlight on Insurance and P&C is sponsored by Brokers International, one of the nation's leading marketing organizations. Experience the new world of insurance marketing at www.biltd.com. American consumers are likely not taking advantage of all of the discounts available to them through their homeowner and auto insurance, according to a recent survey conducted for Trusted Choice and the Independent Agents and Brokers of America, or IIABA. The survey, which questioned home and auto owners about whether they use discounts available to them through their homeowners and auto insurance policies, found that 34% of respondents said they are probably not taking advantage of all discounts, or admitted that they don't know if they are. Questions concerning auto discounts received similar results, with more than 20% of car owners saying they didn't know if they were employing available discounts. According to Madeline Flanagan, IIABA VP of Agent Development, Education, and Research, quote, "The latest survey shows what we suspected. Many Americans could be foolishly throwing money away because they fail to ask about insurance discounts for which they may qualify. Companies often offer some unique, regional, very specific, and at times quirky discounts. In these economic times, every dollar counts. Some consumers may be able to nickel and dime their way to big savings," unquote. Personal auto insurers are the most common users of predictive modeling techniques, while commercial carriers tend to use them less often, according to a recent survey conducted by Towers Perrin. According to the poll, 76% of personal line carriers say they view predictive modeling tools as essential. Meanwhile, just 56% of standard commercial carriers consider modeling important. The group continues to consider the potential benefits of predictive modeling. In addition, a growing number of commercial line carriers say they are investing in predictive modeling, with 44% in the commercial auto segment applying this strategy, followed by 43% in workers' compensation and 36% in commercial property. According to Towers Perrin, the survey results, quote, "indicate a dramatic evolution in insurers' pricing strategies, as historically many firms relied solely on traditional cost-based pricing approaches to set prices. While cost is still a critical consideration, robust modeling techniques are helping carriers reflect on ever-changing competitive landscape and customer behavior in their pricing structures," unquote. The effects of the recession continue to hinder renewal rates for property and casualty insurance programs, according to the most recent RIMS benchmark survey. The survey, which tracks changes in insurance policy renewal prices, found that commercial insurance buyers are finding lower prices in the wake of the recent recession, which suppressed demand for insurance capacity and has led to increased competition amongst underwriters. However, according to Dave Bradford, editor-in-chief of the survey, the soft market is bottoming out. It just hasn't yet begun to rebound. He predicts that there could be gradual price hikes in 2010 unless a catastrophe hits, which could lead to a hard market overnight. The survey also found that on individual lines of business, property insurance policies renewed in the third quarter with almost no change in average premium, as did directors and officers' liability policies. However, the D&O market remains divided between the financial institution segment, which has seen premiums begin to rise, and the rest of the market. Finally, general liability rates fell an average of 3.7%, while workers' compensation rates diminished by 4.5%, according to the survey. I'm Paul Wilson, and thanks for watching the Spotlight on Insurance and P&C. To see more video spotlights on your favorite products and practices, find them on ProducersWeb.com and browse by topic.